So friends, the Nothing Phone 3 is just 3 days away from its launch and we cannot keep calm. While the company is yet to fully unveil its upcoming flagship, the rumors have been churning since the beginning. The company has revealed that the phone will come equipped with a Snapdragon 8th Generation 4 chip, a 50-megapixel primary camera and a new glyph matrix. But this is not it. Several leaks making rounds on social media also portray a good enough picture to separate about what the Nothing Phone 3 will bring. Let's look at what we know about the upcoming Nothing flagship, the Phone 3 so far. First we talk about the design and display. Nothing has been playing its cards close to its chest when it comes to the design of the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 and building anticipations and fueling speculations among fans. While the company has dropped a handful of cryptic teaser and close-up visuals, it has yet to officially unveil the device in full, and however, what is known is that the brand is doing about what its signature glyph lighting interface, a traditional hallmark of its earlier models, and replacing it with a new glyph matrix positioned in the top right corner of the rear panel. According to a leaked renders recently shared by Android Headlines, the Nothing Phone 3 will be available in two color shades, black and white. The front is expected to feature a punch hole display design, while the back showcases the revamped glyph matrix, a notable design shift from previous generation. The overall aesthetic bears some resemblance to the earlier Phone 3a and Phone 3a Pro models, though subtle difference in shape and details are evident. One of the standout features of the leaked renders is the new camera layout. Unlike the typical vertical or horizontal alignment, the Nothing Phone 3 appears to have a slightly unconventional setup. The top camera sensor is placed separately on the left-hand side of the device, while the remaining two lenses are aligned next to one another near the edge of the phone. And this unique arrangement lends a distinct identity to the handset and supports previous teaser images released by the brand. In a recent teaser post on X, Nothing offered a first proper glimpse at the upcoming Phone 3, confirming that the device will feature a 50-megapixel periscope lens, a clear indication that the phone is being positioned as built for creators. In a follow-up post, the company shared a series of images that appears to have been captured using the Phone 3, showcasing the handset's impressive zoom capabilities, including what seems to be a telemacro mode. And this marks a significant leap forward from the Phone 2, which notably lacked a telephoto lens entirely. That models are limited to just two cameras, a wide and ultra-wide sensor. The introduction of a dedicated zoom lens on the Phone 3 is certainly a welcome upgrade for photography enthusiasts and content creators alike. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.